Hi there, it's Jesse Lopez and Ariel Peck. We had a great time teaching at the BTO event this year. Thank you so much for having us. Our workshop today was focused on being able to differentiate the pieces of the pattern. We've got the walking section that sets our shape, then the active variable where we either pass or push or spin or tuck or whip, and we end with the punctuation of our pattern that ends the swing sentence, our anchor. We ask each other to dance. Would you like to dance with me?
Absolutely.
Just so that we can practice how we culturally act as people and not just how we dance. Then from there, we can extend the beginning of the pattern. So we choose to keep walking, then we do what we're gonna do. We walk, 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 then we pass to the other side with our anchor. If we were to change that, then we keep that the same with our noun. Whereas in the active use of our patterns variable, we can go straight to it and cut the walks out entirely. So then the next thing that we did was going straight to the 3 and 4, 5 and 6, the 3 and 4, the 5 and 6, the 3 and 4, 5 and 6, so that we can go directly into our work on what we name the pattern after. It ended with the concept of how we use our punctuation, making sure we start with stop the lead, stay the follow, and then stretch the reaction to the beginning of the next pattern. So if we're dancing 1, 2, 3, and 4, stop, then stay, the follower waits until we stretch together to go to the next piece, 3 and 4, stop, stay, stretch to go.
The most important piece about this for the follows was to maintain the feeling that is currently happening to them instead of reacting or assuming the next thing that's going to be happening to them. So in all of the walking sections, the getting started of our patterns, like I'm going to make sure that I'm not getting ahead of my arm, therefore assuming what's going to happen. Instead, I want to maintain and stay, even if he's just walking me forward, maintain until I feel something change, then we do the anchor stay. Once we do the anchor stay, the most important part for the follow, so if we do any kind of version of passing, once we get to the stop, the stay means to step underneath yourself, not step back into anchor.
That floats our anchor and changes what we feel this punctuation.
So once you stop, you step underneath yourself, and then in order to continue and finish the end of the direction, your body motion is what will do that for you instead of your traveling steps. So your body motion can move back, and then when I feel the direction to go, I can listen to the hand telling me to go forward, and then we have a really nice communicated back and forth conversation between partnership instead of like the assuming reactive pattern side by side that can get really
changes
crazy.
How we speak the language together. It increases the trust in the partnership. I'm thankful for all of you that were there, and I'm looking forward to being here next year so we can continue the development. Thank you all.
The social focused event from A to Z, Ottawa, Canada.